You guys, this one is immaculate. We're here at our latest listing at 4378 West, Lower Meadow Drive in Herriman, Utah. This home features 4,625 square feet, 5 beds, 3 baths, a 3-car garage, and a ton of upgrades. We are right across the street from a park and minutes from world-renowned entertainment, shopping, restaurants. We're close to the highway. It's a great area. Come take a look. They went all out with the upgrades on this place. As soon as you walk in, you notice these beautiful built-ins in this front room, and then it opens up into this spacious great room. One of my favorite features of this home is how open this main level is. If you're a large family or you like to entertain, there's plenty of space. This kitchen is state of the art. Included in the sale is this massive double-door fridge and freezer. It has this oversized island, granite countertops throughout, this custom grotto above the gas range, and I love the contrast between the floors and all the cabinet space. When you're ready to throw a barbecue, do it out here on this huge 40 by 10 Trex deck. And this basement is a blank canvas. There's all kinds of opportunities down here. And if you're into fitness, you've got to check out this home gym. All of the equipment in this gym is top of the line. And if you want to take it as is, we can talk. Let's go take a look at the 5 bedrooms and 2 baths upstairs. Up here at the top of the stairs to the left, we have 2 of the bedrooms and 1 full bath. And then over here to the right, we have the laundry room, and there's 2 more bedrooms at the end of the hall. Welcome to your new master bedroom. One of the things that I really love about this home is it's just super clean. It's move-in ready. You don't have to paint or update anything. You can just move right in. And this ensuite bathroom off the master has a huge shower with dual shower heads, a double vanity with granite countertops, and beautiful flooring. And just when you think you're done, we're not. You've got to see this huge loft area. The options up here are limitless. You can turn this loft into a game area, a movie room, or you can turn it into a 6th bedroom, or if you just need a place to banish the kids, send them up here. Christmas came early this year because included in the sale of the home is a fully paid off solar system. There's a Nest system inside the home, and there's even a putting green in the backyard.